The Ring Spotlight Cam battery puts everything you need in an outdoor camera in one package: night and day. During the day, you can kick on its HDR feature that adds depth to its 1080p live stream video. It also has motion and people alerts to let you know when something's going on outside. But at night, the two powerful spotlights brighten up your porch and add color to regular night vision. There are two versions of the Spotlight Cam, one battery and one wired. We went with the battery power version for easier setup. Either way you go, you'll get a 30-day trial to Ring Protect features like saving and sharing videos and smart alerts. So today I'm talking about the Ring Spotlight Cam, how it's installed, and what you can do with it any time of the day or night. Let's go. Battery-powered outdoor cameras are so easy to install, and they're great for beginners. Without cables, you can place them just about anywhere. Inside the box, you'll find the Ring Spotlight, one battery, a USB charger, screws and anchors, and a screwdriver, and instructions. There's even a drill bit for your power drill. Once you have the Ring app downloaded and you've logged into your account, just add the device by scanning the QR code included in the box. From there, the Ring will create a network of its own and hop onto your home's Wi-Fi. Once the camera's streaming live video, you can attach it to the mount onto your wall. The back of the camera will pop onto the socket and you can angle it from there. Now you can catch live video feed on your front porch, backyard, or anywhere you place your new camera. The Ring Spotlight Cam streams in 1080p, but you can improve that picture by turning on the HDR, which is the most effective during the day. Here's our front porch in standard live stream, and here it is in HDR. Once the sun goes down, you can still see in the dark. On its own, the night vision reaches up to 30 feet in low light conditions, but turn on the spotlights and the picture switches from black and white to color. With the Ring Protect subscription, you can save and share the clips your camera captures and review the timeline of the day. The length of these recorded videos can be adjusted too, between 15 and 120 seconds long. Ring boasts two-way talk with noise cancellation. You can talk to people on your front porch and hear them in the app.
This is what the two-way audio sounds like on the Ring Spotlight Cam.
As for that noise cancellation feature, it doesn't seem to make too much of a difference in my test, but I live near a busy street, so this might be why the audio still felt noisy while live streaming. If you live in a quieter area, you might notice more of a difference. The two bright spotlights illuminate with the touch of a button or on motion. You can stick with a simple motion activation or set the lights on a schedule. They aren't quite as bright as Ring's sibling Floodlight Cam, but the Spotlight is much easier to install without wiring. This Ring camera also has a built-in siren accessible through the app. With a powerful 110 decibels, it's an easy way to scare off any bad actors or alert someone that you're onto them. The Ring Spotlight Cam is compatible with a variety of power sources. Add a solar panel to soak up the sun and keep the batteries charged, or get a fully wired option for continuous power. The Spotlight Cam battery has room for 2 batteries to extend its life. Personally, I prefer battery power. Without that cable to deal with, you won't have to worry about where to feed it through or someone even cutting it. If you do go with batteries, just remember that some things can drain life faster than others. Factors like HDR, recording length, and live streaming can drain things really fast. Just keep an eye on the app and you'll know how much power is left. Ring has 2 apps ready for you to explore. The Ring app that controls the devices and the Neighbors app that serves as a kind of neighborhood watch. Thankfully, you don't need a Ring device to join Neighbors, but if you do see something suspicious from your Spotlight Cam, you can submit that footage to the Neighbors app and notify folks in your area. But let's focus on the Ring app itself. There's quite a bit to explore. In the last few years, Ring and privacy have been kind of a shaky subject. The app has added a few features to help address those issues. There's privacy zones in the app that let you block off areas in the camera's field of vision. If your camera faces a neighbor's driveway or backyard, for example, you can block these areas out. There's also an option to turn off audio streaming and just see video. This might be a good idea if you live in one of the 11 two-party consent states. The Ring app also has an added two-step verification process for your own account. It's optional, but it allows you to keep unverified logins from accessing your camera. Someone tries to log in and you'll get the code to enter the app. The Ring Spotlight Cam has adjustable motion sensitivity, but motion alerts can be anything from a passing car to a delivered package. Here I am adjusting the motion zones to avoid a busy street nearby. Everything in that blue field will be on watch for the Spotlight Cam. So I scooched it over just a little bit so I wouldn't get constant notifications from traffic. Along with the motion field, you can adjust motion sensitivity. The more sensitive settings are, the more notifications you'll get, but that means you'll catch more action. With a Ring Protect subscription, you can upgrade a simple motion alerts to person alerts. Once you get a person alert, you can open the notification and see the live view from your camera. These person alerts also save to your camera's history, where you can download and share them as you wish. As a member of the Amazon family, it's a no-brainer that Ring cameras work with Amazon speakers. Once you pair your cameras to your Echo, it can tell you when there's a motion or a person at your door as well. Like many of Ring's devices, the Spotlight Cam works best with other Ring products. Ring Protect is Ring's subscription service for cloud storage, extra features, and professional monitoring. If you only have one Ring camera, the $4 a month basic plan should be enough. That gets you personal alerts, video recording, and video sharing. Thankfully, you can still use Ring cameras and the Spotlight Cam without it, but you just won't get all the best features. The Ring Spotlight Cam has features to watch over your home night and day. But overall, I wasn't that blown away. Its video and audio quality aren't top of the line, but they get the job done. And despite average quality, you still have to pay for a subscription plan to get all the best features. But installation was really easy with the battery power, and the Ring app is full of things to explore. The Spotlight itself is nice and bright without being too overwhelming to anyone around your home. But if you already use a Ring security system or have other Ring cameras, this could be a good addition to your outside. If you want to learn more about some of Ring's other cameras, we've got a whole playlist on our channel featuring Ring and Amazon products. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe to catch more from us every week. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.